I'd like to update where I am on this build. I know I haven't put a video up for a while, but definitely making progress. I just got the weights, the pulleys made, the weights on. You can see the pendulum working. So basically we've got a clock working. I need to set this thing up, have it run for a while. You can see the bell. I had this bell custom made. Came out very nice. The other thing, little things like the stop for the hammer. Figured out that design, a little eccentric. The thing's working well. Looks like it's going to keep time. I've got around 8 pounds of weight. I decided to use brass. Once I polish these up, I think it's going to look nice. But the whole clock, as you can see, is not polished. It's just making sure it'll run. And one of the things you can hear, the chime on this, it came out well. So let's take a listen to this bell. So it looks like all's in good working order. I've got a couple parts to make. I haven't put these bottom pillars in. I got a line guard I'm going to make. And then a couple other things to the dial face. But we're getting there. Hopefully I'll get this thing working. I'll run it for about a week. Then I'll start the polishing. And I don't like that job, but as you can see, it's going to be a lot of work polishing all these parts up. But hope you're enjoying this. I'm having fun with this build. I haven't been able to work on it as much as I want. But hopefully we're getting towards the end. And hopefully I'll be getting a case made for this thing and turn it into a Longcase clock. Hope you're enjoying it. See you soon.